Okay, guys, so this is the whiteboard part of the lesson. Let me share my document camera. So over here, we have two triangles. They're congruent to each other. So ABC is congruent to DEF. And they have, this is 7, that's 12, this is 15, that's 61. So first question is, what is DE? So if you can think about it, what is DE? Give you a few seconds to think about that, and then we're gonna go over it. So DE, if you notice over here, is the smaller side, which corresponds to the smaller side here. So this side is gonna be BC. FE is this side. So see if you can figure out what this side on this triangle is. So FE is this side, which is FE is this part, which will be BC on this side, which is EF is BC. So is this correct? I mean, BC is this side. So FE is the medium side, which should say, I think the letters are wrong. So A, B, C, D, F, E, A. Yeah, I have their names. I have the name of the letters wrong. So this should be, because it's flipped, this should be F, E, D. So then if I'm looking for FE, FE is AB here. So AB. So the letters are AB. Yeah, I did. Sorry, I made a mistake. Then AC is the longest one, so it's going to correspond to the longest one here, which is AC is going to be DF, which in this case is 12. And then AB is 7. Now angle D is this one, which corresponds to D and C correspond to each other. And then angle B is corresponds to angle E, which is 61, which is also E. And then angle C corresponds to angle D. Okay, and then over here, we have two triangles. So this ABC and DEF congruent, yes. This side is congruent to this side. So we want to set this equal. So say we want you to find AB, lane of AB. Well, you want to set this equal to that. So 5x plus 4 equals 40. Solve for x minus 4 minus 4. 5x equals 36 divided by 5. X equals 36 divided by 5. 7.2. Then if you put in 7.2 into here, 5 times 7.2 plus 4 times 5 plus 4 equals 40. So AB is 40. In this case, we could say centimeters. So this is centimeters. And then say you want to find EF. So find EF. So BC is congruent to EF, so we're going to say 12 equals to congruent to 3x plus 2 minus 2 both sides. So that's 14 equals 3x divided by 3. X 14 divided by 3, 4.66. So we put that into here, 3x plus 12. This is 3 times 4.66 plus 2 times 3 plus 2 is 16. Huh. Okay, so this side is 16, but they're congruent. They should need to be the same. Um,